What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Shiba Inu today. As you can see here, we just now kind of broke the resistance here at this 0.0000750 area, and actually we are kind of below it right now. It seems like we're not having enough support and enough momentum to stay above it. We were trying to get back into this uptrend that we were previously in, and that would have actually sent us onto a bullish pattern, eventually leading us to 0.00008. But it looks like we couldn't stay above it like completely, but hopefully we can build up some more momentum to stay above that resistance of 750 so we can get to the 8 area. But anyways, this is good news and kind of bad news for the little short term if we do go back down to this next support level at the 705 area. Hopefully we don't go all the way down. But anyways, let's do the technical analysis. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. Gotta say that. And remember, check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And also, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely with the algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys want me to go over next. But yeah, let's go over this technical analysis with Shiba Inu because the Shib army is waiting on it. So anyways, Shiba Inu is the most popular crypto on Twitter now, as they say. We have like 900 something thousand people following Shib on Twitter. So that's actually pretty big right there. As you can see, 912,000 people following Shiba Inu. That's really big. We're actually one of the top cryptos now on Twitter. So big shout out to the whole Shib army out there. But anyways, as you can see, we're ahead of a Uniswap, Polkadot, and Solana. So anyways, we got Shiba Inu now over 908k. Now we're at 912k. I've seen Shiba Swap, Shiba Inu's decentralized exchange, likely to launch another token. Like I was showing, like in my previous video, how they had the they had the other things. Let's actually show that so I can show you. They had the little folders and things indicating that we're probably going to get another token, because why would they put Shibarmy, the blockchain, on the bottom? The blockchain would actually be above Shiba Swap. So it goes Shiba Swap, Shib, Leash, Bone. If it was Shibarmy, it would be Shibarmy, Shiba Swap, Shib, Leash, Bone. But no, it's probably going to be another coin. So we're probably going to see another crypto coming out in the woodworks here for Shiba Inu. So that's pretty big news there. And anyways, let's keep moving on. So as you can see, Shiba Inu holders continue petitioning for Robinhood to list Shib and gather over 184,000 people in signatures. So yeah, we're actually still pushing for this. Hopefully we can actually pass it. We got a lot of people who signed it, about 186,000 now. Anyways, Shiba Inu has gained increasing popularity on social media, and now we're gaining a lot of dominance over the crypto space. So anyway, Shiba Inu crosses 900,000 followers on Twitter, and the only person that Coinbase is following is Shiba Inu. So that is a huge statement there. So Shiba Inu started as a meme token, obviously, blah, 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 blah. We want to get straight down to the nitty gritty, though, of the technical analysis that we're going to do here with Shiba Inu. But anyways, look over here. The petition for the tokens listing has now received $184,000. Or not $184,000, but 184,000 people. But when you actually go over here, now we're at 186,000, and they made this earlier. So it's actually a big statement that they actually did that. So that's actually pretty good news there, that we have that many people buying in on Shiba Inu. I mean, that's huge right there. Like, we have so many different people putting their money into Shiba Inu. So this is really going crazy right now. And honestly, I don't know. This is just really crazy that the Shiba army has this much pull inside of the whole army, right? Inside the whole Shiba Inu. So the whole Shiba army, it has so much pull inside crypto. Like, look at this. 666,000 though. We did lose some people overnight. So, but we still have a lot of people invested in the Shib. Yesterday we had 667,260. Now we have 666,565. But when we hit that refresh button, you can see 666,552. So people are selling out of Shiba Inu as we speak. But remember, like I said, they were just the traders. They came in temporarily for the trades. They pumped it, they dumped it. So that's pretty much where that's coming from. And it's probably a lot of the Coinbase people, honestly. But anyways, let's move on to the next thing with Shib, and this is a little bit of a technical analysis that we had going on here. Anyways, you can see Shib, the analysts believe that Shib is ready for a rebound to 0.00009. So anyways, at the time of writing, Shib is at 728. So 0.00009 is the rebound they're saying that we're going to go all the way up to, and that's all the way up here to this new resistance all the way up here. Now, we could do that in the near future, but like I said, look, we have to pass this right here. Like, if we cannot get past this resistance of 750, we're going to inevitably go down to 705. But if we can get past that, then we're going to eventually head up here to the 8 area. That's 0.00008. So once we actually get up to there, we're gonna have a lot more momentum and be able to get all the way up to the 9 area. So that's definitely possible inside the near future. So definitely continue to watch out for that, because we definitely have some potential here for Shiba Inu to rise. We just need the Shibarmy to stop selling out, because there's so many people selling out of Shiba Inu right now. Like I just showed you, like a bunch of people are selling out left and right with Shiba Inu. So if people could stop selling out inside Shiba Inu and actually hold it, like then we'll be good. And on top of them holding it, look, this is a huge statement here. Like last year, like if you invested into Shib last year, the same day, today, you would be up 6.3 million%. Literally, if you invested $100 into Shiba Inu last year on this same day, September 23rd of 2020, if you invested onto that day and then you invested all the way into today, you would literally have $7 million. That's so much money. You would literally have $7 million. Like 6.3 million, but now it's 7 million because of the price that we're at right now. So you would literally have $7 million, like, well, 700 or 7.5 million now. But yeah, that would be huge. That would be huge if you actually held it for that long. So it could definitely possibly do the same thing again. But remember, if we did that same thing again, think about the market cap. Like right now, we're at a 2.9 million market cap. If we were to do the same thing again with the market cap, we would probably end up, I don't even know how much it would go up by. Like that's a lot. That's a lot. 6.3 million%. But in order for us to go 2x right now, we would actually have to be at, we would have to knock out one of these zeros, and we would be at 0.0000015. That's where we would be if we were actually going to, knock out one of these zeros in 2x. And that would be a lot more. But yeah, I don't think we can do the same kind of numbers that we did previously, because Shiba Inu was really cheap back then. And now obviously it doesn't have as much growth opportunity as it did before. But we still have growth opportunity with Shiba Inu. But yeah, anyways, look at this. We're up 4.7% in the last 24 hours on Shib, and also up 2.32% in the last 7 days. Looking at every other crypto for the last 7 days, Shiba Inu is actually doing better than almost everything. And not Avalanche, because Avalanche is like a unicorn right now. Same thing with Cosmos, like unicorn right now. But Shiba Inu is doing better than a lot of these cryptos in the last 7 days. Let's be honest here. We're still green for the last 7 days. And that's mainly because of Coinbase, to be completely honest. But anyways, moving on to the next thing with Shiba Inu, as you can see, will Robinhood list Shiba Inu? We got all these people who are signing the petition, so it's quite possible that we're about to get listed. Remember, Robinhood is now adding wallets to their platform, and they may add Shiba Inu at the same time. So there's definitely some huge potential here. And the only person Coinbase is following is Shib. So this is huge. Literally all of Robinhood's competition is adding Shib. So I definitely think that Robinhood will add Shib too, because you got to think about it. Webull added them. eToro added them, and like we got so many different more, like Coinbase, like Binance US, Coinbase Pro, like all these different platforms are adding Shiba Inu. So now they definitely have to add it. I mean, if Robinhood doesn't add it, they're gonna get left in the dust, because Shiba Inu is really big right now. And look who else added it. QDEX added Axie Infinity and Shiba Inu. So that's also a big news here. So this is pretty cool here. I don't know much about QuadX or QDEX or whatever you want to call them. But anyways, definitely check them out. They are the home of BEP20 tokens and your crypto plug, filing your world with 80% vibes, 17% humor, and 3% crypto. But yeah, they are the top leading for BEP20 tokens, I guess. So definitely shout out to them for adding Shiba Inu. That's really big news there. But yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. It's looking like we're actually passing this resistance here. But how long can we stay above this resistance line? Or I mean support. So like it is now our support now that we're above it. But hopefully we can have support here and not go down, because that is going to be the telltale sign of whether or not we'll get to 0.00008, because that's definitely the next line of resistance that we need to get to. But yeah, the green candlesticks are taking over the red ones. That means more buying than selling, and hopefully it keeps going on like that. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this financial advice. If you do like the video though, hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you guys want me to go over next. And also check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. I'll be back with another video. Peace.